everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to fix wide camera not working on iPhone. Resetting camera settings can sometimes resolve issues related to zoom functionality. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, go and launch your settings, select general and then tap on software updates. Make sure that your software is updated and is on the latest version. So if you have not updated it yet, update it. Now go back to your settings page, scroll down, search for camera and then tap on it. Here, select record video, then set it on 1080p HD at 25 fps and enable the show PAL formats if it's disabled. Here, if all of the mentioned solutions does not work, try resetting your iPhone. For this, what you have to do is go and launch your settings again, then tap on general, scroll down and then select transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset and then tap on reset all settings, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to resolve your macro and wide angle camera zoom issues on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.